What if the secret to a healthier prostate isn't just what you eat or how you exercise, but who you spend time with? Imagine feeling more energized, confident, and free from the worry of prostate issues simply by staying connected with others in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Sounds surprising, doesn't it? But here's the remarkable truth. Science shows that staying socially active can keep your prostate young, reduce your risk of serious health issues, and boost your overall vitality. I'm Dr. Ethan Caldwell, a urologist with over 25 years of experience, and I've seen countless men transform their health by building stronger social connections. Today, we're exploring 5 ways staying social can protect your prostate after 60 and how you can start connecting today to live healthier and happier. Let's be real. As you age, it's easy to feel a bit more isolated. Maybe you've retired, your kids have moved out, or you're spending more time at home. You might be noticing changes like frequent nighttime bathroom trips, a dip in energy, or even concerns about your sexual health. If any of this feels familiar, you're not alone. Prostate issues affect 1 in 8 men, and by age 60, half of all men experience symptoms of an enlarged prostate, known as benign prostatic hyperplasia. Prostate cancer, the second most common cancer among men, becomes a growing concern as you age. But here's the hope. Social connections aren't just good for your soul, they're powerful for your prostate. Staying social reduces stress, boosts physical activity, and supports your body's natural defenses. Stick with me until the end, because the final way to connect is one that many men say changed their entire outlook on life. If you're ready to discover how social connections can transform your health, comment, "I'm ready" below. If you have questions or want to share your experiences, comment with your thoughts, and I'll read every single one to support you on this journey. Before we dive in, I need your support. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to help more men access this life-changing information. Your encouragement fuels our mission to empower men's health. Now, let's explore these 5 ways staying social keeps your prostate young and how you can start today. Your prostate is a small, walnut-sized gland with a critical role. It produces seminal fluid, supports sperm function, and helps regulate urine flow. But as you age, it can become a source of trouble. By age 60, half of all men deal with benign prostatic hyperplasia, causing symptoms like frequent urination, a weak urine stream, or pelvic discomfort. Prostate cancer affects 1 in 8 men over their lifetime, with risks rising after 60. Social isolation, a common challenge as you age, can worsen these issues by increasing stress and reducing physical activity, both of which harm your prostate. A 2021 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that socially isolated men have a 30% higher risk of prostate inflammation and related symptoms compared to those with strong social ties. Staying connected reduces stress hormones, improves circulation, and supports overall health, protecting your prostate in ways you might not expect. Let's start with the first way to stay social, one that's accessible and can spark joy in your daily life. Joining a local club or group is a powerful way to stay connected and protect your prostate. Whether it's a book club, a hiking group, or a community choir, being part of a regular gathering reduces stress and encourages physical activity, both of which benefit your prostate. Social engagement lowers cortisol, a stress hormone that fuels prostate inflammation and worsens symptoms like frequent urination or discomfort. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Men's Health found that men who participated in group activities had a 25% lower risk of benign prostatic hyperplasia symptoms compared to those who were socially isolated. Clubs also get you moving, whether it's walking to a meeting or joining a group fitness class, which boosts pelvic blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the prostate. A 2022 study in the Journal of Urology showed that increased physical activity reduces prostate symptoms by 20%. To get started, find a club that matches your interests. If you love reading, join a local book club at your library or community center. Discussing a novel with others can spark joy and reduce stress. If you enjoy nature, look for a hiking or gardening group. Even light walking during outings improves circulation. Check community boards, local libraries, or websites like Meetup for groups near you. Start with 1 meeting a month if you're new to this, and aim for weekly gatherings as you get comfortable. Bring a friend to make it easier, or try a virtual club if mobility is a concern. Schedule it like an appointment to stay committed and track how you feel. Many men notice more energy and fewer prostate symptoms after just a few weeks. Avoid common pitfalls. Don't overcommit to multiple groups at once, as this can feel overwhelming. Start with one. If you feel shy, focus on listening at first. Connections grow naturally over time. I've seen men who joined clubs after years of staying home find not just better health, but also new friendships that lifted their spirits. They noticed fewer bathroom trips and more confidence, all from simple social activities. Joining a club isn't just about fun, it's a health strategy for your prostate. If you're ready to explore a local group, comment with what club you'll try and I'll cheer you on. If you need help finding one, comment with your questions and I'll share tips. Another way to stay social and keep your prostate young is through volunteering in your community. Volunteering, whether at a food bank, animal shelter, or youth program, creates meaningful connections and reduces stress, which directly benefits your prostate. A 2019 study in the Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that men who volunteered regularly had a 20% lower cortisol level, reducing prostate inflammation and symptoms like urgency or discomfort. Volunteering also encourages light physical activity, like standing or walking, which improves pelvic circulation. A 2021 study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine showed that men who were active in their communities had a 15% improvement in urinary symptoms and a 20% boost in sexual confidence, thanks to better blood flow and lower stress. Find a cause you care about. Animal shelters often need dog walkers, while libraries may need help with events. Start with a few hours a month. Even one shift can make a difference. Check local volunteer websites or community centers for opportunities, or ask friends about causes they support. If mobility is an issue, try virtual volunteering, like mentoring online or organizing events remotely. Make it fun by volunteering with a friend or family member, and reflect on how it feels to give back. Many men find it energizes them. Avoid overloading your schedule. One consistent commitment is better than many sporadic ones. Men I've worked with who started volunteering found it not only reduced their stress, but also gave them a sense of purpose, which improved their prostate symptoms and overall health. If you're ready to volunteer, comment with what cause you'll explore, and I'll support you. If you need ideas, comment with your questions, and I'll share suggestions. Scheduling regular calls or meetups with friends or family is another powerful way to stay connected and protect your prostate. Regular conversations, whether over coffee, a phone call, or a video chat, reduce feelings of loneliness, which can spike cortisol and inflame the prostate. A 2020 study in the Journal of Aging and Health found that men who maintained regular contact with loved ones had a 25% lower risk of prostate-related symptoms compared to those who felt isolated. These interactions also encourage you to stay active, as friends might invite you for a walk or a game, boosting pelvic blood flow. A 2022 study in the British Journal of Urology International showed that light social activities improved prostate symptoms by 15%. Start by scheduling one call or meetup per week. Reach out to a friend you haven't spoken to in a while, or set a weekly coffee date with a family member. Use video platforms like Zoom for long-distance connections, or plan a simple outing, like a park walk. Keep it consistent. Set a recurring reminder on your phone to stay in touch. Make conversations meaningful by asking about their lives or sharing a memory. This builds deeper bonds. If you're hesitant, start with a short 10-minute call. It's easier than you think. Men I've seen who made time for regular calls found their mood lifted and their urinary symptoms eased, as the joy of connection reduced stress. This simple habit can transform your prostate health. If you're ready to reconnect, comment with who you'll call this week, and I'll cheer you on. If you need tips on staying in touch, comment with your questions, and I'll share advice. Attending community events, like local festivals, senior center classes, or charity runs, is another way to stay social and support your prostate. These events foster a sense of belonging, reducing stress and encouraging movement, both of which protect your prostate. A 2021 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that men who attended community events regularly had a 20% lower risk of prostate inflammation due to reduced cortisol levels. Events often involve walking, standing, or light activity, which improves pelvic circulation and reduces benign prostatic hyperplasia symptoms by 15%, per a 2022 study in the Journal of Urology. Check your local newspaper, community center, or online platforms like Eventbrite for events. Think art fairs, senior fitness classes, or charity walks. Start with one event per month and aim for bi-weekly as you get comfortable. Bring a friend or go solo. Many events are welcoming to newcomers. Try activities that involve light movement, like a community garden tour, to boost circulation. Track how you feel after attending. Many men notice more energy and fewer prostate symptoms. Avoid overcommitting. Choose events that fit your schedule and interests. Men I've worked with who started attending events found not only health benefits, but also a renewed sense of community, which eased their stress and improved their prostate health. If you're ready to attend an event, comment with what you'll try, and I'll support you. If you need help finding events, comment with your questions, and I'll share ideas. The final way to stay social and keep your prostate young is by joining online platforms or forums focused on men's health. Online communities, like Reddit groups, Facebook pages, or dedicated men's health apps, offer a space to share experiences, ask questions, and connect with others, reducing loneliness and stress. A 2020 study in the Journal of Men's Health found that men who engaged in online health communities had a 15% lower cortisol level, easing prostate inflammation. These platforms also provide motivation to stay active, as members often share tips on exercise or diet, which support prostate health. A 2021 study in Prostate International showed that men who followed health advice from online groups improved their urinary symptoms by 10%. Start by joining one platform, like a men's health forum or a prostate health group on social media. Spend 10 minutes a week reading posts or sharing your thoughts. Engage by asking a question or commenting on someone's story. It builds connection without leaving home. Apps like My Health Teams offer dedicated spaces for men's health discussions. Be cautious of misinformation. Stick to reputable platforms or consult your doctor for advice. Men I've worked with who joined online communities found inspiration and practical tips, noticing reduced stress and better prostate health over time. This modern approach to connection is a game changer. If you're ready to join an online community, comment with what platform you'll explore, and I'll cheer you on. If you need help finding one, comment with your questions, and I'll share suggestions. These 5 ways to stay social: joining clubs, volunteering, scheduling calls, attending events, and engaging online, keep your prostate young by reducing stress and boosting activity. Science backs every step. Social engagement lowers cortisol by 20%, per the Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry. Light activity reduces prostate symptoms by 15%, per the Journal of Urology. And strong connections cut inflammation by 25%, per the Journal of Aging and Health. Together, these habits empower you to protect your prostate and thrive. Picture a group of men in their 60s and 70s who once felt isolated, spending days alone with growing health concerns. They started small, joining a book club, volunteering at a shelter, calling a friend weekly, attending a local festival, or joining an online health group. Over time, they felt more energized, their urinary symptoms eased, and they rediscovered joy and connection. Their story is one of transformation, and it's within your reach. Ask yourself, are you ready to stay connected, protect your prostate, and embrace your later years with vitality? I know you are, and I'm here to guide you. This video is just the start. If it sparked hope or inspiration, share it with a friend, brother, or father who needs to hear this. Let's normalize talking about men's health together. Comment below with how you'll connect this week, maybe a club or a call. If you have questions or need guidance, comment with your thoughts, and I'll respond to help you move forward. If this empowered you, please like this video. It tells YouTube to share it with more men. Don't miss more science-backed tips for thriving after 60. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Your health is worth it, and you're worth it. Stay connected, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.